Right now we are getting the car ready for a big testing day, and some of the things that are going on, we have a new battery that we're building. It takes a lot of work, and we have a ton of people here right now rewiring the car to work with this battery. And right here, Jonathan and Ari are working on some hardware issues that we're figuring out. But over here, we have Ethan and a group of useless spectators working on the lights for the car. So yeah, he's working on the blinker module right now. And then Tanisha is over here rethinking life at the moment. But Tanisha and John are working on the camber of the suspension. Throughout the rebuild of this car, we have disassembled the entire suspension, and now we need to realign it so that, yeah, it works and drives as efficiently as possible with no tire scrub. And then inside the car here, we've got John and Ethan working on some of the rewiring of the interior. John is right now working on the cameras. We don't have mirrors anywhere on the car, so we've got 3 internal screens that show all 3 angles. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Shut up, David! Pretty good! Yeah? You having a good time? Yeah. Chucks?
I want to make it faster.
We can make it faster.
Power supply. The aux plug connector has a power supply, and also
driving on Monday was kind of like a test run. We just kind of got the car to the point where we could drive it. Right now we're going back through and doing all the wiring properly. There's a lot of things that weren't running on Monday, like cameras, lights, the charging system wasn't running. Basically we were just only running the motor controllers, and that was it.